Good day, ma'am. I'm Jacob Aaron COCA. I'm from Bsmx 1-1. I'm back again. So, I'm here to demonstrate on how to crimp the crossover cable using the UTP Cat 5A and the RG45. So, let's cut the cable. So, you need to separate all wires. And you find also the annoying one, you cut this. So we'll make a crossover keyboard. First is green and stripe green and green. Stripe orange. Where's the stripe orange? Stripe orange. After the stripe orange, blue. After the blue, stripe blue. Make sure your all wires is straight. After the stripe blue, orange, and the stripe brown and brown. So this is the color. And after, you need to be straight. And cut the to become to be aligned. After cutting, make sure your wire is straight and aligned. And after you align your wire, put the RG45. You need to push the cable after pushing the cable to RG45. Use your crimp tool. And you crimp. And that's all. As you can see, this is the crossover cable. Use the UTP, Cat-E, and RG45. This is a crossover cable T568A. And that's all. Thank you.